Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make this wall decor. So let's get started. Okay, so the materials we'll be needing are 2 tissue paper rolls, one big one for the big flower, and a small one for the small flower, yellow, red, blue, and white paint, a bowl of water, a hot glue gun, something to mix your paint in, paint brushes, pencil, scissors, ruler, and tape. So let's get started. So first off, we're going to be using this big tissue paper roll. So let's put this one to the side. And now with this one, let's just flatten it out so it'll be easier to write on. Okay, so it's flattened out. Now with a ruler, we're going to be marking with a pencil at each centimeter all the way until the end. So here at 1 centimeter, 2, and I'm just going to be going on and on. Okay, so I finished doing it. I marked at 1 centimeter. Now we're going to be cutting this like this. So the width of this should be 1 centimeter, that way. So I'm just going to be cutting all of them like that. I'll see you after I cut them. Okay, so I cut them like this. And now what we have to do is arrange them into a flower shape. And then we'll know how many we have to paint red and how many we have to paint green. But before that, take one of them and then make them into a circle because that's the middle one. So, yeah. So I arranged them, and I found out that there is 9 we have to paint red and 9 we have to paint green. So now it's time to make the paint. So for the red flowers, I'm just going to be using this plain red. And now for the green, I'm going to be putting some blue and some yellow and a little bit of white. And now if you mix all of that, it'll become green. So now for the orange, this one middle one, we need to paint it orange. I'm going to be mixing some yellow with a little bit of red. So now I'm going to be mixing the green, so it'll become green, and I'm going to be mixing the orange, so it'll become orange, and then I'll show you how I'm going to paint them. So these I'm going to be painting red, and this one's going to be orange, and this one's green. So for this, I'm going to be showing you how I paint one of them. So I'm going to be painting the green. So just painting on the outside. And now paint the inside. So I painted it fully on the inside and on the outside. So I'm going to be doing that same thing to all of these. The red ones I'm going to be painting the inside and the outside. The yellow, the orange one inside and outside, and the greens all like that. So I'll see you after I do that. So I painted it. Now it's dry. Now we can start sticking it. So I'm using the hot glue gun to stick it. You can just use normal glue. So I'm going to take one of this, put it on this side, and then just add some glue. And then stick it to here, just like so. I'm going to be doing this to all of them, and I'll see you after that's done. So I stuck it, and this is how it is. So for the small tissue paper roll, just do the same thing, and it'll turn out like this, small one. So I just made a bunch more of these, and I'll be showing you how they look. So this is how it looks. It's a really nice, simple craft. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!